Andrew, g'day and welcome to Tech Talk. How are you going?
Oh, great, Rusty. Thanks for coming, mate.
Yeah, no, thank you. Now, we're here at Redback Storage Systems today to look at your storage systems you provide for both industrial and also the personal man cave. Great range of products. First of all, though, tell me a little bit about Redback Storage Systems.
So Redback Storage Systems is something we came up with in 2006. Now, my father and myself designed the system back in 2006. We've been selling it ever since. What the system is a modular system. There's lots of components to the system, but they're all heavy-duty, quality products, and that's all we sell here at Redback Storage Systems.
And how did you and your dad come up with the system itself? Because obviously you guys were actually in another industry at all.
Well, we were. We had a separate business running. Now, the way we come up with the system with our other business, we did a lot of driving for hour after hour, sitting beside each other, up as far as Tamworth for a lot of the trips. So what we could see was there was a real need for a quality garage system that was modular, that was practical, lockable, and had a really good look to it. So this is what we come up, it's the Redback storage system.
Fantastic. Australian owned and operated.
Yeah, that's right. Australian owned and designed by Bill and myself, the dad and myself.
Terrific. All right. Now you're going to take us through a range of different products you sell, and I can't wait to have a look at those.
More than happy to show you, Rusty.
All right, let's go and have a look, Andrew.
Good stuff. Okay, so this is our Unit 13 with overheads. This unit has two big cabinets either end. It has a workbench in the middle with the drawers underneath. So we have large drawers on the bottom, 4 drawer systems. We have our workbench, a bit of tool display for hanging your tools up, and then we have our overhead cabinets above. Now this particular unit is 5.6 metres long, it's 2 metres high, and comes out a maximum with your workbench 600 millimetres. With this system, obviously this is one you can see on the internet or in our catalogue. So we're able to customise the Redback system for your needs in your application. So this is a section of our support beam. You'll notice it has 3 hooks. The hooks go into the end frames. It's what's called a P-beam. So that means it's in a P shape. If you look at it that way, it's in a P shape. Every cabinet and every drawer sits into what we call the recess of the beam. So when a system goes together, we start from the bottom and we work our way up. So this is how the beam goes in. They go into the slots and drop down, and that's where the beam stays. Now these are our drawers. And on the bottom here we have one big single drawer. So this drawer is great for power tool storage or any bigger equipment you're trying to store. Now you'll notice on the side of the drawers there's twin runners, so they're designed to carry a lot of weight. Above the big drawer we have what we call our 4-drawer unit, which you'll notice there are 2 different widths in drawers. They come with dividers, so great for your small tools, your spanners, your screwdrivers, even for that matter nuts, bolts and screws. Each unit are lockable, and same again, they're powder coated in a choice of either red or blue. Above we have our workbench, which this one is a standard timber bench. We do have a steel sleeve that's designed to go over the timber, which is great if you're working with oils or paints. Above the bench we have what we call our tool display, which are great for hanging tools, spanners and alike. And lastly, above we have what we call our overhead cabinet, which are on gas struts. Great for storing stuff out of the way from the kids, paints, poisons, whatever. So just a really neat system. Now here at Redback Storage Systems we do open shelving, which is quite useful in all garages and homes. This unit is a 4-shelf unit. It has galvanised wire mesh. Dimension wise it's 2 metres high, same as the Redback system, 1920 long, and it's 600 millimetres deep. So it's great for storing things like drums of oil, your toolboxes, camping equipment and alike. Another thing this is great for as well, you can actually take the inserts out. I've sold these to people actually standing tyres, so mag wheels and tyres will stand up neatly in there. It's a really smart way to store your wheels and tyres. Here's our big cabinet. The cabinet is 1800 millimetres high by 900 millimetres across and 450 millimetres deep. Now you'll notice inside each cabinet comes standard with 3 adjustable shelves plus your bottom. You can buy extra shelves if you need to, but they come standard with the 3. Now each shelf is braced underneath, which makes them very sturdy. Another feature of the cabinet is the locking system. Now when the door is locked, it actually locks top, bottom and middle, so it makes it very secure. Now this leads us onto our next product, which is our trolley. You'll notice our trolleys are designed to go into a workbench. This trolley has 4 drawers that actually open. It has a lockout feature where only one drawer can be opened at a time, so the beauty of that, the trolley can't tip over if it's full of tools. Now the trolleys are 900 millimetres, overall height is 880 millimetres and overall depth is 450 millimetres. Ideal for man cave. The beauty of going to a trolley like this, if you're working on your car, you can take all your hand tools to exactly where you're working rather than getting a spanner at a time, so you're taking all your tools to where you're working. Now this trolley has 4 rotating casters. The front casters are locking, so once it goes under the bench it can be locked in position. The reason we do it 4 rotating casters is we can push it through a doorway or between 2 cars. Now just remember, every component of the Redback range is available separately. You may already have your workbench at home. You may want to put a drawer underneath. You may want to put some tool display. Every part is available separately. Another great add-on to our system, or any workbench for that matter, is our LED lighting. Now each LED light has 90 LEDs. They're 0.06 of a watt. They actually link together, and the beauty of that, it only ties up one of your PowerPoint sockets. So they're a really great add-on to our system, or for that matter, your own existing workbench.